Hi guys, it's your girl Melanie bringing you another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from e.l.f. And let me just tell you that e.l.f. is one of my favorite cosmetics brands. They have great products at super affordable prices. So if you want to look cute on a budget, you can do that with e.l.f. The first thing I picked up is the setting spray because I was running low, so I had to re-up on that. I love this, and I always like stuff that has natural ingredients. So it has aloe, green tea, cucumber, vitamins A, C, and E, and I love this stuff. The next thing I picked up is this new color, or rather, I don't know if it's new or not, but it's new to me. It's a color correcting primer, so maybe it can help with some of these imperfections that I have on my face underneath the foundation, so I want to give that a try. I also picked up their foundation in Coco, and I picked up the Baked Highlighter Bronzer. Now, this won't be a bronzer for me, but it'll be just a highlighter. These two things I got from Walmart. All the rest I just ordered online on their website. Next, I purchased their new Prismatic Lip Gloss. They come in 4 shades, and I got all I can. Okay. So I'm going to try those out. But the reason for my haul was to pick up the new lip gloss that is a collaboration with Alissa Ashley. She is a YouTuber slash beauty influencer. She's like one of my favorites. So I wanted to pick up her lip gloss. It's in the color Rose Nude. She says this color is very flattering on a range of skin tones. The perfect barely there nude. It's like a secret weapon that doesn't overpower your look. And I'm always in the market for a new lip gloss, so I can't wait to try this. And for spending $25, another reason why I love e.l.f., I got a free Glam Eye gift set that came with these 4 things. It's a ink eyeliner. What's that? The eyeshadow primer, a liquid eyeshadow, and mascara. So I'm going to try out all of these products and put a look together for you guys. First, I'm going to go in with this color correcting primer. I got it in the color Apricot. Okay, let me try this foundation. Again, my color is Coco. Okay, it looks very but I do have setting powder, so I'm going to go in with some setting powder. Okay, we're all set. Now I'm going to go and do my eyebrows with the brow pencil. Okay, now I'm going to prime my eyelids. Now I'm going to go into my oldie but goodie eyeshadow palette. I've had this for I don't know how long, and it has 80 shades. I don't even know if I can show this to you because it's so raggedy because it's been dropped. But it has 80 shadows. See, look, this is a whole mess. But it has 80 different eyeshadows. Let me see, can I get this off? I can show you. Gotta do it this way. Yeah. 80 eyeshadows. So I'm gonna go with let me try this Molten liquid eyeshadow, and it's in the color Liquid Gold. Now let me try this eyeliner, Intense Ink eyeliner. In Blackest Black. That's what it looks like. Let me try it on my hand. Oh, that's a very precise line. I like it. I like marker type eyeliner pens. And it doesn't budge, guys. Look at that. It is not moving. It's not moving anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Come through, e.l.f. I like this. Let's see. Now, can I draw a straight line on my eye? Yay for the free pen. I love this. Now let me try out this mascara. It is lengthening and volumizing mascara in just black. Okay, now I'm going to line my lower lash line, the waterline. And this is e.l.f. Kohl Eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go in with the pop of color on my lower lash line. In case you want to know, I went in with this color. Okay, now let me try out this highlighter. This is it. And it's in the color Bronzed Glow. And this is the e.l.f. highlighting brush. I think I'm going to put some, highlight my brow bone, put some in my tear duct, now let me set my face. While that's drying, let's try on some of these lip glosses. Okay, first I'm going to go in with the Prismatic Lip Glosses. I got all 4 of those shades. They are Imperial Topaz, Rose Quartz, Amethyst, and Blue Onyx. Let's try the Blue Onyx first. Next, I'm going to go in with Amethyst. Now I'm going in with Imperial Topaz. And now for Rose Quartz. I like these. That was the last one, and they feel very creamy and smooth on the lips. They don't feel sticky at all. They don't have a flavor, so that's good. So I like all of these, and I think they'll work fabulously over lipstick. So they'll be great as toppers. Now let's try out Miss Alyssa Ashley's lip gloss. That's what we're here for. Okay, now we're going in with Alissa Ashley's. It's very creamy, and the wand, it has a little, I don't know if you can see it, it has a little dip in it so it cradles your lips. I like that. I don't think I've ever had a wand that's shaped this way. I like it. It's very creamy, not sticky at all. It feels good on the lips. It does have a sweet flavor to it, but I don't mind it. But I like it. And that will complete my look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you like, what you don't like. Also, let me know what you would like to see me do. Like if there's any products you want me to try or any techniques you want me to show you. Let me know in the comments and I'll try to make it happen. I want you guys to see things that you would like to see. So let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time.